Ginawa ko sa'yo. What? What up guys, welcome back sa panibagong video. In today's video, we're gonna be playing some more fun game in Roblox. And this game is called 6-7 World Tower, I think. So, before we do, let's get right into it. Alright, we're here. And ito yung araw. Ito. Okay, so we need to jump here. Okay, naglalaro na naman tayo ng parkour. Yung yung unang video ko ay yung una kong video ay NI Glide Tower. So, sa tingin ko ayun din ay parkour. Sa tingin ko. What? Okay, ito. Wow! Wait, can we push it? Oh, we need something. We need some money. Okay, but I don't have money yet. So, ito... Yoink. Yoink. Nope. Yoink. Toink, toink, toink. So, dito, talon. Ang easy naman ito. Medyo may easy na ito. What the ano yun? Yan ba yung song ng 6-7? Whoa! What? Alright. Unique. Wait, so nagdi-disappear. Nawawala. Tayo dito. At hindi muna kasi bigla ako naglalag. Oh! Boy! What? Ginawa ko sa'yo. What? What the heck is that? Ano yan? Ano yan? Ah! Para tong mga taon tong mga to ba? Huh? Sabi ko. Nyoy. Talon. Ano ba?
It's payback time.
Ay, ikaw ah. Come on. Nope. Nuh-uh. Okay. Talaga ng... Ba't nagkaganon? Nangyari? Hindi naman ganito dati ah. Hindi siya para nag-stuck. Ang taas na pag-stuck dito. Wow! Wow! Ano ba yan? Hindi ko makapaglaro. Fling all now. Can I please play? Please. Just let me play, please. I'm not gonna go on the top. Hindi ako makapunta sa taas. Oh, nice! Gagi, takbo. Oh! Takbo. Yup, takbo. Yeah! Okay, na naman oh. Punta na dito. Tapos. Oh, wait. No! Oh, na. Ba't ganun? Ano ba yan? Ayun na naman siya. Ayun na naman. Nope! Oh, wait. Wait, what? Oh, the monster start chasing from here. Okay, ba't merong stairs dun? On purpose ba yun? No! No, dude! Come on! Oh no, I'm gonna die. Mamamatay na ako. No, please don't go. Please. No!
Talo!
Wait. Oh, pwede nga. On purpose nga ata talaga to. Dito na ako pupunta. Dito tayo. And I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Nope. Talo. Nope. No. Takbo. Alright, we're here. Okay, dito na tayong... Alright. Whoa, that's gonna be crazy. Need to go here. Come on. Yes! Final. Yes! Takbo. Yeah! Nawawala ako. Okay, saan tayo? Ito? Yep. We're going here. And going here. At nakita niya ako. Okay, takbo. Yup! Wait, so paano mag... Oh! Nyoy! Ano, hindi mo makuha, no? Okay, wala siya. Let's go. Come on. Need to be quiet. Ooh! Okay, guys. Sorry kung hindi ko maalam. I'm gonna die. Yup, I'm gonna die. No. Come on. I need to do this. Come on. Yes! No, palagi nag-stuck yung mouse ko. Come on. No, not me. Please, not me. Please. Okay. We're on... Okay. Ang layo pa natin. At ang daming 6-7 dito. Go here. Okay. Go here. Okay. Go top. Go. Okay, this is gonna be easy. At saan tayo? Dito. Okay. Dito. There's no way I'm back in here, dude. No. Sige, bully mo ako. Hindi mo makukuha. I'm invincible. I am invincible. Who? Go. Yup, napunta sa akin. Please don't kill me. No! Takbo na lang. Please! No. Juke him! No! Oh! No! Sayang! Bruh. Sayang, boy. Come on. Go here. Go, go, go. No, 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 no. Not me. Not me. Not me. Yup, he's going. No. Come on. Oh, yeah. Yes. Come get me. No. Okay.
Wow.
All right. So guys, kung nag-enjoy kayo, please subscribe and hit that like button and turn the notifications on, and see you next time. Bye!
Wait so we can break apart to hit me if I